Hi, I'm Shweta, a creative graphic designer and data science expert. I help businesses, content creators, and brands stand out visually and grow smarter with data. Whether you need eye-catching thumbnails, logos, or social media graphics, or clean data analysis, dashboards, or machine learning models, you're in the right place. I blend creativity with logic to deliver quality work, fast. My approach is simple. Listen, create, deliver. Let's bring your ideas to life, with visuals that speak and insights that drive. Send me a message. I'd love to work with you.